3 Instagram hairstyles. Take some hair on the crown section, divide it in 3, and start doing a regular 3-strand braid. Once you're done braiding, you're going to grab an elastic and tie your braid with it. You can also pinch on the sections to make it look a little bit bigger. Take a section of hair from either side, bring them together down the center, and flip the pony up. Then you're going to pull a little bit and pinch on it, poke a hole on the braid, and pass the ends through. Take the hair, divide it in 2, and bring it to the front. Tie it with another elastic, flip it up. You're going to pull a little bit on it, poke a hole again in the braid, and pass the ends through. And all you need to do is repeat the same steps over and over again until you run out of hair. Tie your sections with an elastic, flip it up, poke a hole in the braid, and pass the ends through. Next up, you want to take the rest of the hair, divide it in 2, bring it to the front, tie it, flip it up, and pull. Next up, you're going to poke a hole with your finger and pass the ends through. Divide the hair in 2, bring it to the front, tie the 2 sections together with a small elastic, and flip it up. Pull it before poking a hole with your finger and pass the ends through the braid. Do it one more time. Pass it through. Take an elastic and tie both of them together. Next up, you want to patiently pinch on each of the sections to make the braid look more voluminous. And this is the final result. Divide your hair in 3, and you're going to take the section at the center and tie it with a small elastic. Take a section of hair from either side, bring them together down the center, and tie them with a small elastic. Make it a little bit looser, and now you're going to take another section of hair on either side, bring them together down the center, and repeat the same steps. Loosen it up a little bit, and do it one more time. Next up, you want to take the first pony you did and pass the other ones through. Section off a piece of hair at the bottom and tie the rest with a small elastic. Divide your section in 2, tie them at the front, and flip up the pony. Pull up on your hair to create more volume. And that's it. This is the final result. These hairstyle ideas are quite easy to do, but at the same time, they jazz up your everyday look. Collect the hair on your crown section, bring it to the back, and tie it with a small elastic. Make an opening with your fingers and flip the pony through. This time you're going to make an opening with your finger on one side and you're going to flip the pony up again. Place your fingers in the opening, take the hair, pass it through, and now you're going to pinch a little bit on it to make it look nice. Stick a bobby pin so everything will stay in place. And that's it. This is the final result. This one looks quite intricate, but at the same time, it only took 2 minutes to do. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down below letting me know which one you liked best. Don't forget to subscribe to my channels and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and on my website www.patrydordan.com.